ReplyDaddy is basically a Reddit marketing intelligence tool. It helps you find the most relevant posts and comments to engage with. It helps you, figure out your way through Reddit because it can be very challenging and daunting to be on Reddit kind of post without the fear of getting banned per se, or your post getting removed or your comments getting removed. So ReplyDaddy has a very logical engine built in, which helps you do all this. So how it works is that ReplyDaddy will take in your brand data, wherein you can just put in your website and click on analyze button. It will. So right now this is an example of my own brand called TeacherOP, which is an edtech platform. So it takes a website, it analyzes the website, uh, and it'll figure out what your website does, what your key features are, what kind of pain points you're solving, what are the insights within the platform, and obviously you have the option to manually change anything which might not be right or which might not be updated on the web. And once that is done, there is a quick discovery setup where you can add any subreddit that you already are targeting or you think your users are there and the keywords that you want to target, or you have a simple button where AI will figure out that what are the most active subreddits which should be targeted for your brand and what are the keywords that you should target. That's all the setup that you require, and by default there are AI prompts which help you navigate through Reddit. So the kind of prompts that are there, one is an analysis prompt and one is a reply generation prompt. Basically, the analysis prompt, what it does is it will score a certain Reddit post or comment based on relevancy and multiple factors. That is this post relevant for your particular brand to engage with, right? And reply generation will uh, help you draft replies and comments to plug in your brand and be helpful to other Reddit users based on your own tone and language, or your brand's own tone and language, adhering to Reddit guidelines and rules, right? So it has a built-in intelligence features. Whatever subreddits that you target, right? It will automatically figure it out that on this particular subreddit, these are the particular set of rules that I need to follow, and these rules are automatically followed by the AI when it hits your responses. And we also have a post generation feature, which I'll just talk about. So quickly, this is where your dashboard is. On the dashboard, you can see all the Reddits that are scanned and their relevancy scores based on multiple criteria. And there would be auto drafted comments for those posts. If you want to engage with them, you can edit these posts. These comments are generated in your brand language and the general tone that you by default type on with Reddit, and which is also configurable by your prompts. You can quickly go to Reddit by this button and engage with this particular comment, right? And you can see the list of posts and comments here, and anything that does not meet a threshold criteria, it will not by default generate a response for that. But this again is configurable in your project settings. So right now I have set a relevancy score of 70%. Basically, if a post crosses the 70% threshold, it will generate responses for that. And then we have the data feature, which is a post generator which works within the guidelines of a subreddit. For example, I can take say a subreddit called entrepreneur, and it will find out the rules of that particular subreddit, that this requires no promotion, no personal attacks, etc., etc. It will find out all the recent trending posts in that group, and then AI will take in this data, club it with your brand data, your tone and your language, the virality factors of these contents, and the rules of Reddit, and generate a post which is safe as per the rules of the community given, right? So if you see, this post has been generated, there's a title, flair, content to it, and all the compliance checks, that these are the rules that have been checked and passed, right? So now you can again just copy this post, make any edits if you want to edit, and open Reddit and submit the post. So this is what ReplyDaddy MVP is as of now. And obviously, after the initial set of users and a lot of feedback, I will work on making whatever things I can make better, more secure and faster for you. Thank you.